1962, the height of the Cold War. While the world was obsessed with nuclear warheads, a genius mathematician in Kiev was building something far more dangerous. His name was Viktor Glushkov. His vision? To strip power from politicians and hand it over to a machine. It was called OGAS, a decentralized network designed to manage an entire superpower's economy in real time. No corruption, no human error, no markets, just pure cold logic. This wasn't just a computer. It was the blueprint for the world's first digital dictatorship. And the most terrifying part? It almost worked.
Glushkov's OGAS was decades ahead of its time. Imagine an internet before the internet, a system of thousands of local computers linked to a central brain in Moscow. It could predict shortages before they happened. It could track every resource, every bolt, and every worker across 11 time zones. Glushkov even proposed electronic money, digital tokens that would make physical cash obsolete. In the West, we call this the cyberpunk dream. In the USSR, it was a desperate attempt to save a dying empire through the power of the algorithm.
So why aren't we all living in a Soviet simulation today? Because the system had one fatal flaw, the human element. The Soviet bureaucrats, the apparatchiks, realized something terrifying. If the machine was in charge, they were useless. You can't bribe an algorithm. You can't lie to a neural network about production quotas. The Ministry of Finance saw OGAS as a threat to their secrets. They didn't want a global brain watching their every move. In 1970, the project was defunded. The red AI was lobotomized before it could even wake up. Glushkov died a broken man, warning that if the USSR didn't automate, it would collapse. He was right. We think of OGAS as a failed relic of the past, but look around. The algorithms Glushkov dreamed of are finally here. They aren't managed by the Kremlin. They are owned by big tech and used for social credit systems. The dream of a planned society managed by AI didn't die with the Soviet Union. It just moved to the cloud. The question is no longer if a machine will run the world, but who wrote its code.